come and see my mansion with me. Hey. Hi guys, welcome to my welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I want to just do a quick unfurnished house tour video. Note that this is the first time she's entering the house, so yeah, we're going to be surprised together. I'm entering the house too, so what reactions, guys? Yep, we're going to be surprised together, and I want to carry you guys along with me. So come and see my mansion with me. Hey. So the first place that we entered was the waiting room, and this was what it looked like. Then we entered the parlor, and this is going to be the first parlor that you see where you enter into the house. It doesn't have a door, so as soon as you enter and you look to the right, you're going to see the parlor. So this is the TV compartment. It's looking nice. And then we went to the dining. From the parlor, it's just a walking distance to the dining. It doesn't have a door too, and they were trying to bring in the furniture, so that's why you can see some people in the video. After the dining, you see the kitchen, and this is what my mom's kitchen looks like. It looks so nice, and I love the interior of this kitchen. It's like it's beautiful. Like, everything was so nice. So you just see plates there because, like I said, we were still arranging things. And then we have another mini parlor. So the first parlor you saw was for visitors, and this is the second parlor, which is our private parlor. It has a separate door from the entrance of the house and a door that links it to the kitchen. So this is our little private parlor that's separate from the visitors parlor. Then we went upstairs. No, actually, before we went upstairs, we had a mini lounge. This is the third and private mini parlor, and this is for visitors. Like, this is the private parlor for any visitor who's going to stay in the visitors room. These doors that you see here, these are the visitors room. We have first visitors room over here, and then the second one at the side. So the first one was not open, but we went to the second visitors room. They are similar. There's actually no difference between both of them, and both of them have doors that lead to outside, like outside the house, in case the visitors do not want to come into the house. So yeah, we have the bathroom. All the bathrooms in the house actually look similar. My sister was loving the tiles. So we had the bathroom, and they actually look similar. So yeah, then we went to the first floor. So this is what the stairs look like. The lighting is beautiful, and it just had this gold setting. The theme of the house was actually gold. Like, we just wanted everything to be a touch of gold. So yeah, and it was given. Like, the door was given, the wall was given, everything was given. And then this is like a mini balcony that you can use to see the visitors parlor downstairs. So we have a total of 7 rooms in the house, but here is just for the room. This is the upstairs parlor that has a balcony, another TV compartment, and then we had all these frames on the wall, like things for pictures. I think they are going to be used to hang like big pictures on the wall. And here, neighborhood lights. So this is one of the rooms, similar to the room downstairs, but it already had a cupboard. I said cupboard, Jesus Christ. It already had the wardrobe because, like I said, they were still working on the house. We're still working on furnishing the house, and the door was locked here. So the wardrobe was ready. The other room was similar to, had space, TV compartment, and the toilet and the bathroom. We already had the wardrobe because they've done it already well. So yeah. And then we went on to my mom's room first, and then my dad's first room. So the room here was just a little bit bigger than the other one. The bathroom too, her mirror was bigger because obviously she deserves it. So her mirror was just bigger, her bathroom, the room was bigger and everything. So yeah. And yet all the mirrors in the house could do this. We're so excited. Oh my god. Okay, then my dad's first room, it was right beside my mom's own. My dad's room was pretty big. It had a walk-in closet that was so nice. It was so beautiful. And then after the closet, you'd have just seen his bathroom and then the balcony that you can use to see everywhere in the compound. So this was his bathroom. It was similar to, but like I said, it was bigger and it was so nice. So yeah, it was similar, but it was bigger than the usual bathroom. And then we have the balcony. The balcony you can just use to see like the compound, his OB, whoever is entering the gate. And yeah, the balcony, I really love this balcony because you can literally just stand there and then speak to somebody downstairs. So this is how the compound looks like. It's still a work in progress, but that's my dad's OB. And yeah, so, and then we went to the penthouse, the second floor. Okay, so this is what it looks like. We have 2 doors to this, and the first door was my dad's second room, and it was like it's a whole big space, guys. So when you walk in, the first thing you see here is a bathroom. It's still in the room, but it's outside the room. I can't explain the logic, but I hope you understand. The bathroom was in the room, but it was outside the room. And then the room itself, this is the biggest room in the house, guys. It's the biggest room in the house. So like I said, furnishing is not yet done, but yeah, they're still working on some things. And then we went to the second part of the penthouse. I think this part is just going to be like his office or his workspace and a little lounge or something. So yeah, it has a balcony there, yes, and this is it. But from the balcony you can see like all around the village. Yeah, literally that is the unfurnished tour of our village house, and we're so excited. This is the first time we actually see the house and we are so excited. We love it. Like, it's more than what we actually expected, so I'm actually excited. I'm still going to show you guys the furnished tour of the house, but for now, yeah, this is what we have and we are still working on it. So stay tuned for that vlog because it's actually going to come on your timeline. But for now, do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and have a wonderful December.